This is Dr. Al-Malood from FacultyWorkshop.com, and I'm going to show you how to create a super cool gradebook in Google Drive that will allow you to customize individual student reports. So to get started, go ahead and click on New in Google Drive, scroll down to Google Sheets, and then to From a Template. This will take you to the template gallery. Scroll down to the bottom of the template gallery until you get to the Education section. Click on Gradebook, and this is going to open up a blank gradebook template. The gradebook is going to have 3 spreadsheets. The first sheet is basically a summary that shows you the overall performance of your students in class. The second spreadsheet is basically where you would enter your student names as well as the activities and their grades. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and put in some student names. And I'm going to go ahead and put in some graded activities. And I'm going to go ahead and enter in some dummy grades for these students, just so that you can see what it looks like. Great. So this spreadsheet automatically calculates the averages for every single one of the students. Now, if you wanted to see an individual report of the performance of a student, all you have to do is click over to the third spreadsheet or tab. And then you can go ahead and select the name of any one of your students using the drop-down menu. I'm going to go ahead and select Amy to see how Amy is doing in my class. And as you can see, the class average is an A-, which means it's a 91%. However, Amy's grade is currently at a D, which is 60%. It means that she's basically getting a D in class. If you wanted to see the overall performance of your students in class, all you have to do is go over to the Overview sheet, and this will show you basically the overall performance of all of your students, as well as how they did on the individual activities that you have assigned to them. If you wanted to further customize this gradebook, go ahead and follow the instructions at the very top of the overview sheet. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to be notified as soon as we release another video. If there's something specific that you would like to learn, please post your request below this video in the comments section. Thank you for watching.